This is what it looks like when Argentine ants are eating new growth on my dragon fruit. This is Delight 3S. So they'll eat the tip of the new growth on varieties that tend to be really sweet. So a delicious flavored dragon fruit. As you can see them eating that tip now off the new growth. And what will happen is your new branch will grow very strange. So it's an annoying thing that I deal with here in Southern California, but the Argentine ant is everywhere, so you may have to deal with this as well. Now, a really easy way to treat it is just put diatomaceous earth around the soil or spray them with Dr. Bronner's or something similar. Or in this case, you could just remove the growth. Or you could even break off the tip. Now in this case, I'll just prune off this branch, but that's what I deal with Argentine ants in Southern California.